Today we're gonna make this spicy salmon bowl with avocado and mango salsa and coconut rice. To get started on making our spicy salmon bowl with coconut rice and a mango and avocado salsa, we're gonna first put our salmon in the oven. To make our spicy rub, we're gonna start with a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. We'll do a quarter teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. So we're gonna mix this together. And I have our 2 pieces of salmon here. And I'm just gonna rub it on both sides. And I've preheated our oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna pop this in the oven, 400 degrees. When you're cooking for your family, it's all about time management. So while our salmon is cooking in the oven, we're gonna make our rice. So I have 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of rice. So I'm gonna mix this together and bring it to boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer, and this will take about 20 minutes. By the time this cooks, our salmon will be cooked, and we're gonna make our mango and avocado salsa. So while our salmon is cooking and our rice is cooking, now we can assemble our salsa. So we're gonna do a half a mango, cube them up. We're gonna do an entire avocado, a quarter cup of chopped red onion, and then we're gonna do a fresh squeezed lime. So we're gonna do just 1 lime. And now we're gonna do a little salt and pepper. I'm just gonna do about 1/4 of a teaspoon. I don't wanna add too much. Mix this together. And now our salsa is ready. And so when our salmon and our rice are ready, we're ready to assemble this. So from start to finish, 30 minutes, you should be able to have this meal ready. So we have all of our ingredients ready to assemble our spicy salmon bowl. We have coconut rice, my favorite. I'm gonna put that down on the bottom of the bowl. Now you can make these individually for everyone in your family, or you can make just 1 big bowl and serve it that way, whatever you like to do. So I'm gonna put this down here, and then we're gonna take our salmon. Look at that, delicious. Put our salmon here. This gives me lots of tropical vibes here. We're gonna take all of our mango and avocado. I'm gonna put that on the side. And then I'm gonna take up some chopped cilantro and sprinkle this all over. Amazing. And this dinner is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.